with pressing Alt. So we are have a cloned object has been cloned, so we are can be copy and some. Hello boss, I'm so sorry for about to introduce myself. My name is Putu Suhartawan. My texture studio, the version just 1.9. Clone the object like this object. You need to be select the index from the object. For example, select 221. You just need to be edit object / edit object, and after you edit your object, you press Alt at keyboard, or the function work for pressing Alt on keyboard. You can press Alt here too. With pressing Alt, we can be copy and some rotating here. So this will be look easy to rotating like cloning again with just selecting, for example, 251. After that, you can select object or edit object and just press Alt or keyword on the keyboard, the button Alt, press it, and the notification just has been show object has been cloned. How to demonstrating this? Select the ID is 222. What is the object? You just using syntax, and if they are wrong syntax, you just can using index and selecting different object with select different ID is 73. Object to moving, so you have press a button on the keyboard is walk. But you can clone everything like you want. For example, this object ID, you can edit the object like this and clone with pressing the button on keyboard. Press Alt button or keyword. Okay, you have success has been cloned the object. Moving apply mode, you can drag like. That's just the easy way how to use as texture or texture editor. Yeah, as texture with different color. For example, web color, you can choose one, for example this one. So the color just modify and press index. We can change color different, like maybe white with selecting ID, for example 251, and try to command X text as texture combinator for the color, or automatic web color. You can change green color like this, so the object just have green color, but you need to select the index for have gray color like that. So this is the right index, and that's a slot one. Pressing button Alt. Okay, I think that's different. You can change the index again, set index for example 0, and press Alt to change the index from different place, different index. As texture and press blue to selecting web color. After that, you just need to change new color. You select active, and you can using syntax for testing and index. Okay, we can change global object color with X texture and change the color with web color. For example, that just been red, so the object just will be shown like different object texture too. With enter, for example this one, press alt and the texture has been changed like that, and X texture to remove. Yeah, that has been successful. The hotkey for walking on in-game, you just press alt button on the keyboard and you have clone with a notification object has been cloned, and just drag and save. If you have been success to clone the object. Thank you so much. Hello boss, I'm so sorry pas I introduce myself. My name is Putu Suhartawan. This one is alt. If you press alt, this meaning keyword. In game, you just press W to arrow and holding alt to, for example, the texture or just cloning some object from edit object status. That's just from the filter script. Is texture system. Okay, TS mine, and from the TS mine PWN is this TS mine. You can find keyword in edit object. If you using this keyboard, you just press alt or on the script, you will be found keyword. And this is edit dynamic object, and this is set current object to clone object, and this function just to clone object. This is a stock how the object will be have cloning, like this stock from update material, add dynamic object, and updating everything like index. And if you have a SQLite, you will be have a function like this.